Serbian forest, Sony a6700 and the sky full of falling stars. Get ready. Who's bad? That looks scary. It's scary. Deep in the Serbian forest, under a sky full of secrets, we are hunting for a whisper from the cosmos. Can my Sony a6700 capture the fleeting magic of the June butits? June butits, which is the ray of meteors, which is supposed to be happening tonight. Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Here we are, the sun is already about to set behind the mountains. This is the viewing point, the wooden tower built inside the forest just for some tourists or hikers who want to take a look around. Like this, for example. This is the plain of Vojvodina. It starts here and lasts for 200 kilometers to Hungary. But today I'm gonna look in another direction, to this side. Because at this side there are no villages, no cities, no big lights, no light pollution. 15 or 20 kilometers away from this point are located a big city, Novi Sad. And I'm just a little bit afraid that light pollution from this city will destroy that part of the sky, even here, on the top of the mountain. But another direction probably will give me an opportunity to see the entire sky and all these fallen meteors. We'll see. But also I got another plan. Take a look down below. Probably this is the point I should stay and wait for the meteors. And I will take a composition with this tower. And also, if I lighten up a bit this tower by my headlamps or any other light source, like my phone for example, that could be interesting. It's just a matter of another half of an hour or an hour until the sun dips below the horizon, when everything changes. Now I just have to decide what to fill this time with. Actually, Gavin Hardcastle and Thomas Heaton always eat in their videos, so probably this is the rule of the genre. Who am I to disagree? So this is the composition for tonight. This is the tower and a lot of free sky. And I hope tonight this composition will work nicely. And also I'm thinking to put some lights down below to lit up a bit this tower, just to make this composition even more interesting. What do I have today? This is Sony a6700 with 18 to 135 kit lens. This is the bend rod tripod, it's pretty steady, pretty heavy, and I hate it a lot. But also I've got my headlamp and two more LED lamps and the bottle of water, and now I just have to wait. I just hope I will not encounter any wildlife tonight. It's a bit scary, and I hope the big city is too close and there are no bears in this forest. Wish me luck. So, since I'm a total newbie in astrophotography, I watched a lot of lessons on this topic on YouTube. And there is one rule actually, the rule of 500. Like you should divide the 500 with your focal length and you get your shutter speed or your maximum shutter speed, which allows you to capture the star without the moving of the star. You know, we are living on the sphere and it rotates. I hope that's not a surprise for you. So, but this is the APS-C camera. So in this case, I should divide not 500 but 300. And I've got the kit lens 18 to 135, and the minimum or the widest aperture here is 3.5. That means somehow by this formula the longest shot I could take without the star trails is about 11 seconds. But probably I'll try to take some really long exposure, because I want to see those star trails around the sky. And with this being said, I will see you after the sunset. It's getting pretty windy. That was unpredicted by my weather forecast. I've got everything set it up. This is the camera and it's pointing to the tower. We'll see, but I hope this composition could work in a situation like this. But again, I'm a complete newbie, so we'll see. The time I had to arrive here is probably now or even 30 minutes after that particular moment. So I'm here pretty early and I'm really struggling. Be here just waiting for this sky to be dark. It's pretty boring. I can hear some night birds. Who's that? It's scary. It's already night, but I can't see any stars. And I was thinking, why the hell can't I see any single star in the sky? And probably I know the answer. If you are almost 50 and you cannot see any star, wear your eyeglasses. And now I can see plenty of stars. This is me a couple of hours later, and it's pretty dark now here and pretty scary, and there are a lot of stars, but I'm struggling to focus on those stars even in the manual mode. In autofocus it's obviously it's impossible, but even in manual mode I'm struggling to find the perfect focus, and also I'm struggling to find the composition. Where is my camera, by the way? My camera just declines to shoot longer than 30 seconds. I believe there are some settings down below in the middle of some other settings in the menu. I will just ask ChatGPT. Even if I fail tonight, this exercise is brilliant, and I do suggest you to do the same. Take yourself into the forest, into some scary place. It's not scary actually, but now in the dark it's pretty scary. And try this exercise for yourself. I can't see any fallen stars, but you know, it doesn't matter. At least I have to find some sci-fi movie, nice one, proper one, with starships, with all the stars around. So please suggest me in the comments, do some series about space travel. This sky is just crazy beautiful. Just realized the fact that this night, this darkness, can transform some place you are familiar with, some place you have visited several times already, into something new, unpredictable, and almost unknown. You definitely have to try it. I cannot see any fallen stars, but I believe I took several decent star shots. and you will see these shots in a minute if I succeed. But I have prepared all these lights. I believe at least I can try some lit up forest with the color lights. I'm just trying to fill the time with something, because talking to you guys way less scary when just walking in the dark in silence here. I hope you understand me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn this light on like this with the blue color. I'm not sure about this, but I will try to take a picture of a night forest in blue or in red. I will try all the possible variants. I turn both my lamps on, the blue one, where is it? The blue one and the red one. And and mistake has come from the direction I was not prepared to, because those lamps just have all the attention of, I believe, all insects in this forest. Every single insect in this forest now paying attention to those lights. I have never saw this amount of insects, like hordes. I'm not sure if any of these shots even in focus, because I can't see if it's in focus or not. When I'm wearing these glasses, I cannot see the screen on the camera, so I have to do like this. Is it in focus or not? But without these glasses, I cannot see in the distance. I cannot see what to shoot. This is the tricky situation. By the way, let me know in the comments if you got the same problems with your eyes as I have and you are a photographer. How do you live? Let me know in the comments, please. This scene, actually, I do love how it looks, but I have no bloody idea how to shoot it in the way I can see it. So let's call it a day, or I should say, let's call it a night. And I'm okay if there are no results. This is landscape photography or astrophotography, and the result is not what we are looking for, right? Because we are not wedding photographers. Thanks God, fingers crossed. And anyway, if at least you find this video a bit entertaining, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Ciao for now.